morning, most boys. Today, I stand before you all with hearts that is both grateful, at the same time heavy. It is heavy because I never imagined that a day like this would come. And today, I have mixed emotions. Years ago, I came to the boat school as a young boy, a rustic. I went through the traditions of the school. I was rusticated. And today, I am living. But I've realized that I'm not just living in a dormitory. I've realized that I'm not just living classrooms. I'm living a family. I'm living teachers who corrected me like parents. I'm now living students who became brothers. And honestly, it hurts. It hurt because this school watched me grow. Saw me at my weakest moments and celebrated me at my best. This school gave me identity, it gave me purpose, and above all, it gave me love. As a senior prefect, I carry responsibilities that are not always easy. There are times I had to make difficult decisions. There are times I was misunderstood. I may have tried to be strict, unfair, or hurt someone unknowingly. To those I offended, to those I disappointed, today I stand for every one of you today. I want to beg for your forgiveness. I say sorry. Because as I leave this compound today, I don't want to carry regret, but I want to carry love, I want to carry peace, I want to carry the memories we all shared together. The teachers, my honorary principal, I want to thank them for the knowledge, the care, the guidance, counseling, and for showing us the path which we may follow to become great leaders. And to the caretakers, we've been entrusted with the mantle of leadership in both schools. And trust me, leading both schools feels like leading a nation. They are torchbearers of COVID. They are sons of the great ladies. Every action you take reflects on the name of the both school. So you have to work with integrity, uphold dignity, and ensure that every both school boy feels the name of being a both school boy. So both school boys, you have to embrace this moment, because there will come a time you realize that you're not just living a both school, you are living a home. You miss this assembly, you miss the uniform, you miss the dining hall, you miss doubling, you miss groundbreaking. So today as I'm leaving, it's not a goodbye forever, it's simply clearing. Because no matter where life takes me, no matter the distance, I'll forever remain to be a person of both schools.